To remove the existing buttstock, pull down on the length of pull lever, then slide the existing buttstock off the buffer tube.
Locate the length of pull lever. Locate the safety detent. With one hand, push down on the safety detent and with the other hand, pull back on the length of pull lever. With lock lever pulled back, slide the EvolvR Combat Stock on to the buffer tube. Push lock lever forward to engage the locking pin. Pull the lock lever and slide the EvolvR into desired position.